So this is something that I wish I knew. So this is my room review, I guess, of the Circus Circus Manor here. Okay, so if you've never been in the area, that's a good idea. As is Latch It. Okay, the door gives you a quick rundown, a map of the building you're in, and time to check out and stuff like this. Immediately to the left as you come in is the bathroom, and it's just that, it's a bathroom, but they also have this little alcove here, and you have just a empty spot. There's a sprinkler head there and something to set a suitcase on if you have something that big. The other side is integral hangers. Literally, it's a small spot. I mean, that's my arm pinned against the wall. It's probably another 10 inches, so it's not 4 feet wide. The bathroom, I'll turn the light on here. You get the loud fan there, and the commode, single sink, blah. There's all the stuff I brought, and you got a couple towels and a shower with a shower head that's I missed the one at home, but yeah. Giant mirror, smooth mobile. This thing is amazing, paying dividends here in Vegas, and I'm gonna wrap up a review I've been doing on this thing. 3-axis gimbal for your cell phone, pretty cool. Comes with a hair dryer if that's your thing. Let's go check out the room itself. So you come into the room, we got some type of art, and this is it. I have a non-smoking room, has 2 queen beds on the immediate wall here. There's another large mirror, 2 padded headboards, in case you're into, padded headboard things. Show you the lights and stuff. The beds. So I sleep on a Tempur-Pedic. This is nothing close to that. It's extremely soft though. Okay, coming back to the room further. There's another mirror on the wall. You have a little writing area. It has a semi-comfortable chair and a wooden writer's desk. This is where I've actually been using it to produce my videos lately as my SHOT Show media pass. Okay, it's not really, it's a decent room, I guess, for the price I paid. You can see I got some doing some research there on the iPad, and just finished producing another video there on the MacBook. And then you got a little seating area if you want to sit down and, I don't know, have some cognac and a cigar or whatever. So, okay, if you're in Circus Circus Casino, I'm going to show you out the window here, if I can control this. There are rooms called the Manor, and this is what you're in. Okay, it's just basically a motel, 3 floors tall, and I would assume all the rooms look like mine. And there's 5 of these Manor buildings. I'm in A, there's B, C, D, and E. You can see here, there's a bag slide and a pool area. This is their winter time. It's 62 degrees, and they think it's cold. But it's not bad. Let me show you the wardrobe here. Okay, very small television, but it works. You have these 2 doors here on either side of the dresser or the wardrobe. It has an LED light. As soon as you break the seal with that magnet, it comes on. It's not bad. This is where I keep my bags when I'm heading out. It also has another mirror, big giant mirror, whole length of the door. On the other side here, same thing. Another giant mirror here. But this, they have, you can see the ironing, well, it's the reflection, the ironing board. Up top you have the iron itself, and plastic bag swag, I guess. But not bad. It's got a couple, let's go down here. Couple, I guess, for shoes down there, cubby holes. This is the back side of the safe that's built in. So this is where the safe is. You can punch in your code or whatever it is. I don't know the code. They didn't tell me the code. So I'd have to call. Oh, looks, I just locked it out. It's locked out for 14 hours. Well, I'll be here for the rest of the week. But yeah, it was cool. Last night I came in. I saw the video. I got in really, really late. And just went right to bed, basically. And this is a heater. Let me show it to you. You should come here, because you're going to need to know this. It's both heat and AC in one unit, depending on what you want. You can set your temperature accordingly, and this is your fan speed, etc. This is a brand new unit. What do you mean brand new? It's brand new, because the one I had in the room didn't work. Got down to 42 degrees last night here in the desert, and I was shivering in this room. But brand new. I called maintenance this morning. Actually, the young gentleman who came and took care of me on a Sunday here, great guy. He actually views the channel. Came in and said, "Hey, you look familiar." But not too bad. Your light, you got a lamp. It has you got a 12-volt plug in it. It also has a USB plug in it, so you can charge stuff. And it's 5-volt, 2 amps, so it's a quicker charge. Let's go over here. Excuse the mess. I'm charging some stuff here, but you get an alarm clock. You get another light. This one's dual for left or right. 2 switches. You get a plug, again, another USB charger, a phone, and still had, wow. You'd be surprised. I didn't think that hotels would still do a Bible in every room, but they do. Little writer's desk, and nothing in there, but decent little spot. So let me tell you what you need to know if you're going to book the Circus Circus Casino. First off, the staff, everybody has been great. I haven't met anybody that I wanted to choke out, which, if you know me, that's an achievement. But some things you should know, all right? I'm on the second floor here. It's loud. Right out the window is a parking lot. I'm right near the street. It's loud. The walls are thin. It's not like I'm in my studio producing, so know that. If I had known, I probably would have went up in one of the towers and spent a little more money, but didn't have it. Now, if you do book, I guess it's every place here in Vegas, when you book a room, say you get the room for like $90 a night, right, and you stay for 3 days, you're thinking $270 plus taxes. That's not it. Okay, there's a resort fee that you have to pay. So I booked this for the week, and then as soon as they saw my face, they wanted another couple $100 for a resort fee for each day that you use the place. It's not a resort, but it is what it is. So the Circus Circus Casino, the hotel and casino, it's one of the older places on the Strip. It's, if you book through Travelocity, it's very affordable. Very affordable. I'm averaging, I think it's like $53 and change a night. Before the resort fee, add the resort fee and the stuff on them, I'm like $80 a night. But compared to other rooms, it works for me. That's why I'm here. If you have kids, there's an arcade. There's casinos all over the place here. There's a casino downstairs. There's an arcade. I had the buffet this morning for the breakfast, $22. But I ate like a champ. Look at the picture of this. I was impressed. So I'll be going down almost every day for this week. You'll see me in the morning getting my breakfast downstairs. But a lot of stuff here. There are a lot of shops. There's a tattoo joint downstairs. Sorry, hon. You'll see. There's a lot of stuff downstairs. So you don't have to go too far if you want to do a little bit of shopping or whatever. There's a nice, really nice Starbucks here. There's an adventure dome with rides and stuff like a carnival. This place is like carnival themed. It's 80s style carnival theme. It fits it perfect. A lot of clown things, markings, stuff like that. And even Vince Neil has a steakhouse downstairs. So it is what it is. I wish I had known what I know now. We're on the north side of the strip, the older portion of the strip. Like I said, there's a marijuana dispensary like 2 blocks from here. When I went for my walk this morning, about 8 o'clock here, there were people, there were homeless people scattered about. Vegas is a big city, so you get a little bit of everything. So that's a little room tour if you're looking at coming to Circus Circus. This is the manor. It's not in the main towers. It's not in the main the property. It's across the street. They have a huge property here, and they even have an RV park and all that stuff. But I'm right near the pool. I would go swimming, but it's not open because 62 degrees for me is almost summer. And these people are freezing. They're walking around with hats and stuff. It's hilarious. But yeah, it's the Circus Circus Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas. I'll put up the picture here. I want to thank Olight again for sponsoring this trip, helping get me down here. In earnest, the show starts Tuesday in full effect. I'm looking forward to meeting some people who are flying in tonight into tomorrow. Coda Boy 32, if you don't watch his stuff, check him out. Great dude, he's coming out. I look forward to meeting him. I saw Sam from Uncle Sam's Misguided Children. I saw him. He's actually staying in this hotel that I'm in. Saw American Gun Chick at the Uber area where we were waiting for our rides coming out of the airport. A lot of people are going to be here, and I hope to meet as many as I can. Hope to see you if you're coming. I'll be out and about. I don't know if there's going to be any specific meet and greet, but maybe I'll see what's going on. Maybe I'll check with Coda Boy. We can maybe have a couple brewskis somewhere and meet everybody. We'll see. Without further ado, I appreciate you all. It's because you all watch this channel. You listen to what I say, that people are taking notice and allowing me to do these things. I couldn't do this without you, and I am eternally thankful and grateful. Honestly, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Until we see each other again, this is Jared from Guns and Gadgets from Las Vegas, Nevada. Be safe, stay vigilant, carry a weapon. Take care, everybody.